In this video, I will show you how to use Verizon 5G home internet setup. So for that, first of all, you would have to download My Verizon app. Once you download My Verizon app, simply click on Sign In. After that, sign in to your account. Once you've done doing that, you will find a button there saying Begin Setup. Click on it. Then you will have to scan the QR code on the back of your Verizon internet gateway. From that, you can simply follow the app prompts and activate your service. Track the nearby 5G cell tower using the built-in 5G compass. And to find the best placement for your gateway, you will have to move your gateway to upper floor or a room closer to outside facing window. After that, simply plug it into the power adapter. Then wait for about 5 minutes until the indicator lights turn into solid white. Then you can simply use it. And if the light turns red instead of white, then that means you will have to try another window or a different spot. And that's it. That is how you can use Verizon 5G home internet setup. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.